Hello friends, we are delighted to bring you another tutorial video from BestBull. In the previous video, we discussed position mode in history. In today's video, we will be exploring the deal mode in the history section. To begin, right-click on the history section and select the fourth option, Deals. This will open up the Deals section where we can access the relevant details. What can we see here? We can observe the monetary details as well as the open and close information. Within this section, we need to focus on two types of position, in and out. In indicates that we are entering a new position and the type can be either buy or sell. On the other hand, out signifies that we are exiting from a position and again the type can be buy or sell. Let's consider the second to last line as an example. Here we open the sell position in Bitcoin. In indicates that it's a new position with a specific amount at a particular price. Later, we close that position after buying it, denoted by out. The first amount and price visible to you remain the same as it represents the original trade details, including the time it was executed. The closed price displayed as the new detail signifies the price at which we exited the trade after purchasing Bitcoin. Furthermore, the commission charged and the profit loss are also shown. Therefore, we should consider this as a reference for calculating our actual profit and loss. Please note that when determining the profit and loss, we will calculate the commission and profit and loss while disregarding the open commission. Thank you for watching, and we hope this explanation has provided you with a better understanding. Stay tuned for more informational videos.